Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. Thanks for logging into the Weather Now tab. Weather Now are video updates that we do at least 3 times a day, and certainly more when there's approaching severe weather and storms. So little video updates in between our newscasts to keep you updated on the weather 24/7. We continue very cold, obviously. We've got another cold night ahead, temperatures running below average, and then we're tracking some changes coming up for the weekend. So things to cover and go over. Let's start with the low temps this morning. The calendar version of spring. It's about 13 days away. This is more like mid-January stuff. These are not wind chills. The actual low temperatures this morning. 9 in Providence. It bottomed out at 6 in Smithfield. 14 in Newport. Got a call from John in Burrillville. 1 degree, the low temp this morning. And then temperatures this afternoon recovering to only the upper 20s. The average high is 45, so you do the math here. This is well below average. And again, another cold night coming up for tonight. So things that we're keeping an eye on, the colder weather for tonight. Now, temperatures will moderate a little bit tomorrow afternoon. We'll get above freezing, but still a cold day. And then by the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday, we'll get temperatures into the 40s. Next system is on Sunday. This is mainly a rain situation, though it may start off briefly early Sunday morning, northern suburbs, an hour or two of wet snow or some freezing rain, but an eventual change to plain rain is anticipated on Sunday, so one of those half and half weekends. Satellite and radar composite, the skies are clear across most of New England, and really no precipitation to speak of locally. A little weak storm system in the Central Plains. Now, normally I would be a little concerned about this with cold air in place and this moisture, this little storm system across the Central Plains, but most of this is actually going to slide out to sea to our south and stay offshore Friday night. So we stay dry, and maybe a flurry on the South Shore Friday night. That would be about it. Let's get in real close and kind of walk you through it hour by hour. And once again, setting up for some pretty cold temps overnight. We're thinking somewhere at least 10 to 15 degrees late night and early morning. And you can see, skies will be generally clear. No precipitation to speak of. This is, we'll take you into 7 o'clock in the morning. Waking up to sunshine. Only about 10 to 15 degrees at that time. Now, during the afternoon, with a blend of fair weather clouds and sunshine, we should recover to at least the mid-30s, so we'll get above freezing. But that's still 10 degrees below average, so a chilly day, just not as frigid as what we had today. Heading out your Friday evening and Friday night, the weather looks fine. It stays dry. Obviously, it's cold. Bundle up, but no issues with either rain or snow. So, in fact, we'll keep the dry weather now through at least Saturday night. For this evening, cold, down to about 18 degrees at 11 o'clock, and temperatures will continue to drop overnight and into tomorrow morning. So starting off on average around 17 at sunrise. Some spots will be colder than that at sunrise, but at least it's dry with some sunshine. And then during the afternoon, and a little milder, not by much, but we'll get things up to about 35 with a blend of fair weather clouds and some sunshine. So temperatures do moderate by the weekend. It's not South Florida, but we'll get closer to seasonable averages. And there's your half and half weekend with rain on Sunday, dry on Saturday. And at least one sign of spring. The setting of the clocks before you go to bed Saturday night. Spring ahead 1 hour. Lose an hour's sleep. But we do obviously change the sunrise and sunset times drastically here. So on Sunday, the sun will set during the 6 o'clock hour at 6:46. Just before 7 o'clock. Though Sunday will not be a pretty sunset, just for the simple fact that we have clouds and rain on the way. But again, early in the morning on Sunday, especially northern suburbs, 2-3 hours worth of sleet and some wet snow, but a quick change to rain. When all is said and done, this is mainly a rain situation on Sunday and then drying out Sunday evening. And we're back to cool and dry conditions. Seasonable temperatures on Monday with some sunshine and a temperature coming in at 47. So another cold night tonight. Temperatures slowly moderating by the weekend. And again, a half and half weekend, dry Saturday, that precipitation on Sunday. Of course, new information is always coming into the Weather Center. So check back with me tonight at 10 o'clock on Fox Providence, at 11 o'clock on WPRI Channel 12. And of course, meteorologist Michelle Muscatello in very early, starting at 4:30 a.m. on Friday morning with an update as well. So that's the latest. Thanks for logging in, and we'll talk to you later.